Hi, I'm Jonathan with 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. And if you're like me, you've spent a lot of time in the kitchen this week getting ready for Thanksgiving. Now, when it comes to preparing for the big day, I've come to expect the unexpected. Ticker, the turkey. Well, one thing I don't have to worry about is my home's furnace. Because as a 1 Hour client, I know that it's safe to operate with my friends and family coming over. And secondly, if the unexpected does happen and the heat goes out, I know that 1 Hour will be out the same day to get it back on before the food is on the table. 1 Hour is open 365 days a year, and for club members, that even means on Thanksgiving. And so on behalf of 1 Hour, I'd like to wish all of our current and future club members a very happy Thanksgiving. And of course to you too, Ticker.